Spraying for weeds in buffalo lawns can be tricky, but not with this gear. It's a specially designed weed control spray for your Sir Walter lawn, and it'll get rid of bindii, oxalis, clover and all sorts of other uninvited broadleaf weed nasties. It contains bromoxynil, so it is safe to use on buffalo lawns, and this value for money size will treat over 400 square metres. Now always follow the label's instructions and make sure you adhere to the application rates. A good way to do this is firstly measure out 50 square metres of area, fill up your sprayer with just water and spray the 50 square metre area. Then measure how much water your sprayer used to cover the area and mix 30 millimetres of weed control product with this amount of water and you're ready to go. Now just a couple of things to remember. Don't mow for 2 days after application, and don't be concerned if your lawn takes on a slight brown appearance in summer. That's perfectly normal. And of course, like with all garden products, always read the instructions. Speak to my local mates at Jim Boomba Turf on 3114 8230.